Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as part of our growing community. Our mission is to provide you with insightful and engaging content that informs, inspires, and sparks meaningful discussions. Whether you're a longtime viewer or joining us for the first time, we aim to create a space where curiosity thrives and everyone feels encouraged to explore new ideas. Each video is crafted with care, bringing you a blend of expert insights, practical tips, and thought-provoking perspectives designed to enrich your understanding of the topics we cover. So, grab a comfortable seat and get ready to embark on this journey with us. In today's video, we'll share compelling stories, expert interviews, and actionable strategies that can help you navigate this subject with confidence and clarity. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions and spark your own curiosity about the world around you. As we move forward, we encourage you to engage with us, ask questions, share your thoughts, and connect with fellow viewers in the comments. Your participation not only enhances the experience, but also fosters a vibrant community where we can all learn from one another. Let's get started. As you journey through this video, we invite you to stay with us until the very end, where we will unveil exclusive insights and valuable takeaways that you won't want to miss. Each segment is designed to provide you with not just information, but a deeper understanding of the topic at hand. We believe that the most impactful moments often come at the conclusion, where everything we've discussed comes together to create a comprehensive picture. So, settle in and prepare to engage fully. Your attention will be rewarded with key points that can enhance your understanding and application of what we've shared. If you find value in the content we provide, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and colleagues. Your support not only helps us grow, but also allows us to continue creating high-quality content that informs and inspires. By subscribing, you'll gain access to our latest videos, ensuring that you stay updated with fresh insights and discussions. Liking and sharing our videos amplifies our reach, enabling us to connect with even more individuals who are eager to learn and engage. Together, we can build a community of knowledge seekers, and your involvement makes all the difference. Thank you for being part of our journey. In recent years, the integration of natural elements into business spaces has emerged as a transformative trend, highlighting a growing awareness of the profound benefits that nature-inspired design can offer. This approach transcends traditional aesthetics, focusing on the creation of environments that are not only functional, but also nurturing and inspiring. By embracing the beauty of crafted woodwork, businesses can cultivate spaces that truly resonate with their values and enhance the overall employee experience. The shift towards incorporating natural materials reflects a broader societal movement towards sustainability and mindfulness, urging companies to consider how their physical environments impact both their workforce and the planet. Crafted woodwork serves as a powerful bridge between the natural world and the corporate environment, allowing businesses to infuse their spaces with warmth and authenticity. The organic textures and earthy tones of wood create a tactile experience that softens the often sterile feel of modern office design. This infusion of natural elements fosters a sense of comfort and connection that can significantly enhance employee morale and productivity. In an age where many workers feel increasingly disconnected from nature, the presence of crafted wood can serve as a reminder of the beauty and serenity of the outdoors, promoting a more balanced and holistic work environment. Crafted woodwork serves as a powerful bridge between the natural world and the corporate environment, allowing businesses to infuse their spaces with warmth and authenticity. The organic textures and earthy tones of wood create a tactile experience that softens the often sterile feel of modern office design. This infusion of natural elements fosters a sense of comfort and connection that can significantly enhance employee morale and productivity. In an age where many workers feel increasingly disconnected from nature, the presence of crafted wood can serve as a reminder of the beauty and serenity of the outdoors, promoting a more balanced and holistic work environment. One of the key advantages of using crafted woodwork is its ability to create a welcoming ambience that resonates with clients and visitors. When clients enter a business adorned with natural elements, they are met with an immediate sense of hospitality and openness that can leave a lasting impression. This welcoming atmosphere can be particularly impactful in client-facing areas, where first impressions are crucial. The warmth of crafted wood can help humanize the corporate environment, fostering trust and encouraging meaningful interactions, which can ultimately lead to stronger business relationships. Thoughtfully designed wood features can serve as focal points that enhance the aesthetic value of business spaces. These elements not only draw the eye, but also encourage interaction among employees and clients, facilitating conversations and collaboration in a way that traditional office designs may not. For instance, a beautifully crafted wooden table can become a natural gathering spot for brainstorming sessions or informal meetings, promoting a culture of teamwork and innovation. By creating spaces that encourage social interaction, businesses can cultivate a sense of community and camaraderie among employees. Ultimately, the incorporation of crafted elements into business spaces represents a holistic approach to design that prioritizes well-being, creativity, and sustainability. By embracing the beauty of nature, businesses can create environments that inspire and uplift, paving the way for success in an ever-evolving landscape. As organizations continue to adapt to the changing world, the thoughtful integration of natural materials will play a crucial role in shaping the future of work, ensuring that spaces are not only functional, but also nurturing and inspiring for every individual. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We genuinely appreciate your support and hope you found the content informative and engaging. If you enjoyed what you saw and want to stay updated with our latest insights and discussions, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be part of our growing community and you'll never miss an update on the topics that matter to you. Additionally, if you found value in this video, please take a moment to like it and share it with your friends and colleagues. Your engagement helps us reach a wider audience and allows us to continue creating high-quality content that informs and inspires. Together, we can foster a space for learning and exploration, and your support makes all the difference. Thank you once again, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.